Now, on engines that use regular pipe plugs, sometimes you used to have a problem with those. If the pipe plug was a little bit long, it used to stick out. Again, you'd have a problem. Whole engine is put together. Can't put the distributor in it because the pipe plug is sticking out in the oil galley that is right behind the gear. So it's also a good time. Put this guy in. Our plugs go in, since they are a machined plug that goes up and hits an O-ring. Our plug goes in so it doesn't stick out. So now we can see, all right, so everything is cool. Again, nothing hitting there. So we know now when the engine's all done, we can put the distributor in with no issue. It's just something good to check. Looks like I'm gonna need another roll of paper towels here real quick. Make sure you get your thrust surface as well. Okay, when I'm putting the crankshaft and everything in, we've already washed this guy and checked him out. When I'm putting the crank in, that goes really nice. I like to put the rear main seal on now. Because you have to pretty much put it in before you put the rear cap on, because we machine that pretty tight. It's a pretty tight fit. You want to oil the inside surface of the seal so that this thing's not dragging and with just dry rubber on the crankshaft, because it'll end up burning the seal up. So I put my seal on now. If you try to drive this in with the cap on, you'll probably end up busting the seal up. So sometimes lift the crank up just a little tiny bit. Walk that seal around the crank. Whoops. The other way you can do it. Just put the seal on. And then put the crank in. So we gotta pull the seal out just a little bit. I got it too far up in there. Okay. Now we got the seal in there. Just take your fingers, press that guy all the way up in there. Cap. The bearings a lot of time have like a bit of a coating, almost like a dusty coating on. You can see it sort of makes a black mark when you can rub that coating off of them. I like to go in and just rub that off. With a paper towel and get that guy clean. Put a cap on. Somewhere around here I have a jar of this stuff, but for bolts, use ARP lube. Put a little bit on the washer. So that guy spins free. Make sure you get it all over your fingers. So that when you rub your eye or something like that, you get a lot of it in your eye at one time. And I usually just spin it. Every time I put a bearing in it, I usually just spin it to make sure everything spins nice and free. If you put all 5 of them in and then it doesn't spin, you don't know which one it was. But if you do it every time you put one in, you know the last one you did was the problem child. Again, that's a brand new bearing out of the box. These are actually Speed Pro bearings, but the Clevites kind of do the same thing. And nice and smooth. And again, wiping my face, probably going to have ARP lube all over my face.